This is empirical and molecular formulas part 1. There will be this will be 3 parts. They should not be very long videos, all 3 of them, but I wanted to break it up into 3 videos because I think it makes more sense this way. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so empirical formulas and molecular formulas. Empirical formulas basically is a reduced formula or simplest formula possible. A molecular formula is not. It can be anything. That it can, they're kind of like fractions, okay? So let's take this one right here for instance. We have C24H32. If you were to write the subscripts in a fraction, you would have 24 over 32. Now you know this from math that you have 24 over 32 is not in its simplest or reduced form. So what can you do? Well, you could start working with them and you can come up with another set of formulas. I mean, it's another fraction. You could do 12 over 16. You could do 6 over 8. And you could have 3 over 4. Now, even though I said a reduced fraction, you could also have a molecular formula that goes higher. So you could even go this direction with it and have a different molecular formula, 48 over 64. So even though this is what we started with, this right here would be the empirical formula. These right here, let me get a different color, and it would be blue. These right here would all be molecular. So how would that look? Well, if I wanted to do this one right here, I would have C48H64. This is an empirical formula. I'll take it back. Sorry, I misspoke. This is a molecular formula to this molecular formula. But if I wanted to write the empirical formula, and I'll do that one in orange, the empirical formula would be C3H4. This is the smallest or simplest form you can get. So that is your empirical formula, okay? So let's try a couple more. Let's do another one. Let's see if you can get what these are. Okay, so I have C6H12O5. Think about it for a minute. Stop the video if you need to. Is this empirical or molecular? Now remember, empirical is reduced, or the simplest or smallest form you can have. Molecular is not. Okay? Stop the video and think about it if you need to. But think about it for a second. If we were to put this in a fraction, you'd have 6 over 12, and I know this does not look like a real fraction, but you'd put a 5 here. Can you reduce these at all anymore? Can you go any lower? Can you when you first look at it, you think, oh, this can go 3 and 4 by dividing both by 2. I take it back. 3 over 6, because I can't do my math tonight. It's late. You have 3 over 6, but you can't put 2 into 5 because you cannot have a 2.5 in a subscript, okay? So this is already in empirical form, okay? I told you this one would be this is going to be the shortest one. Hopefully you guys understand this. I will probably have a quiz over all 3 of the videos, so make sure you know all of them, okay? See you guys in the next video.